The new shoes, baby. We're gonna be going to New York and I'm gonna be rocking these bad boys. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. We are going to be going through a full day of eating. Typically on any given day, I aim for the following, okay? 3 things, really. Number 1, 150 grams of protein. I don't always hit it, but that's the goal. 2, 2,000 calories. I'm on a cut right now. Find out what works for you, but that's what I've been doing. And then number 3 is it needs to taste good. I want to enjoy it. I'm not gonna make meals that are just disgusting. I'm not gonna chug raw eggs and bone broth to hit my protein goals. No, I want to enjoy my eating. One thing worth mentioning, for the past, 5 years, I've kind of on and off done intermittent fasting. As of right now, I've been doing it for about a year strong, and it's, some people think it's a gimmick. Some people think it's the only way to do it and absolutely swear by it. Personally, I like it just because it saves time and it allows me to have bigger meals for lunch and dinner. And I don't know, I like to simplify things. I find a t-shirt that I like and I buy 6 or 7 of the exact same t-shirt, but in different colors. Shout out to Built Basics. I just love simplicity, and quite frankly, I don't really get hungry in the mornings anymore. I'll go down and I'll make my daughter some breakfast and I'll just drink water, and that's how it is for me. So anyways, full day of eating, let's get it. All right, I gotta get back to work, then we'll get into it. Who's a good boy? Come here, come here. Oh, who's the good boy? Did I wake you up? Come here, buddy. Can you sit, shake. Oh, good boy. Every day, literally every day when I get home, Spud will jump up and just hug me. Wow, it's a beautiful day. All right, lunch break started for work, so I had to, run a quick errand. Picked up some flowers, but it's not the point. The point is, I am on a journey to find the best protein bar. Built Bars, company out of Utah. I used to like them, then I started hating them. But the Built Puffs, which is a kind of like a marshmallow type texture version, they're incredible. So I'll be reviewing the brownie batter and the coconut marshmallow. Whew, it's 12:41. All right, time to eat. All right, we're making a protein. Gonna have some collagen peptides, some basic whey protein with milk, frozen fruit, almond milk, by the way. Do a half serving of collagen. Whey, berries. $255 calories, 35 grams of protein. All right, next up we got the Chick-fil-A dupes. Look at those, 3 ounces, it's 160 calories, 16 grams of protein. We're gonna have 6 ounces. All right, if you're wondering what 6.5 ounces of Chick-fil-A dupe nuggets look like, that's it. We're gonna put these bad boys in air fry. All right, let me let you in on a little secret. We got a little moocher over here. Sometimes I go to Chick-fil-A and the sauce that I eat has more calories than the actual chicken. Sriracha adds a ton of flavor for 0 calories. So you got the Chick-fil-A dupes from Costco. You got the berry protein smoothie. All that adds up to 70 grams of protein, 600 calories. Unreal. Wow, I just finished that, and honestly, I'm stuck. Normally I'll have a snack and then a dinner and then a snack. So, intermittent fasting, maybe I end up having 4 or 5 meals, but the point of it is my eating window is smaller. I'm not gonna explain, why people think that's good or not. Plenty of resources out there, but it's just what works for me. Anyways, 600 calories, 70 grams of protein, and I'm actually stuffed right now. I just chugged a bunch of water, and I don't think I'll be hungry for a minute. All right, so I got hungry. I'm eating a pear, 100 calories, 1 gram of protein. All right, we got potatoes fried in the pan. It's gonna be baked in the oven. Salmon, it's gonna be good. All right, for dinner, we're having 3.9 ounces of salmon and some potatoes salad. We got the salmon salad. Potatoes, 800 calories, 45 grams protein. Got 500 calories left, and we are up to 110 grams of protein. So I'm gonna get a workout in. I usually like doing the evenings because I have a lot more energy. In the mornings, I don't have any energy because I don't eat food, and I'm just lazy in the mornings. So anyways, gonna get this workout in and then finish up the rest of the macros for the day. All right, real quick, for those with the home gym or small house, these power blocks are the best dumbbells. These ones only go up to 50 pounds, but for 9 out of 10 exercises, you really don't need more than 50 pounds if you're a lightweight like me. But they're super awesome. Just slide this thing in and out. dude, you know, 20 pounds, 30, 40, 50, all the way down. Love them, would recommend. They take up no space. And I think on Amazon it was like $300 for both of them. Not bad. All right, just finished the workout. Having some Chobani yogurt with granola. Altogether, it's about 14 grams of protein, 200 calories. Then I have a perfect bar. It's like 330 calories, 15 grams of protein. So altogether for the day, that puts us above 140 grams of protein and at 2,075 calories. Good day.